Good morning, guys.
Hi.
Today is Wednesday,
Hi.
November 30th.
Hi.
And
Hi.
yeah, we're not doing anything. He got to go on the bus. He's going on the bus. He's going on the bus. We have to be quiet because baby Maddie is sleeping. Don't mind my messy room. Get ready to clean it. Get ready to clean my messy room, so don't mind my messy room. But let me show you guys her. Jackson,
Yeah.
be quiet. She's so peaceful.
Yeah.
She's so peaceful. So I just finished pumping. I got 10 ounces. I usually get 12, but for some reason I'm struggling to get 10 ounces. So I have to figure out how to, I don't know if I have to keep pumping more or something, but I only got 10 ounces. And usually, let me see. Yeah, usually I get this bottle filled, but right now it's only at 5. It's only at 5 ounces, and I'm a bit disappointed because the 1 ounce make a difference for me. So, but I got 2 of these though, so I'm gonna probably have to pump later on and keep pumping. But she's having a hard time. She's still having a hard time latching on. I mean, she does latch, but it takes us a good 15 minutes and we're like fighting each other. Like, she's fighting me and I'm fighting her. Not like I'm not literally fighting my newborn, but you get what I'm saying, because I'm trying to get her to latch and I'm fighting my body, and it's just hard. So at nighttime, what I do is I make a bottle from the fridge. I take a bottle from the fridge and have it here cold, so by the time she starts fussing and we mess around with, you know, trying to get her to latch, and if she doesn't latch and if she's like waking up my husband, then I'll give her the bottle. But it's like my last resort, you know, my milk in the bottle, not formula. I haven't given her formula since we left the hospital, so that's good. I only gave her formula because my milk hadn't came in and she was having trouble latching on, and I didn't have a pump. So now that I have a pump, we exclusively breastfeed her, and I want to continue to exclusively breastfeed her, but at the same time we're struggling. We're both struggling here, and I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up on it, and hopefully she gets the hang of it and we are, you know, because she's not latching onto the breast and, you know, suckling from the breast. My body doesn't know how much milk to produce, so my body's thinking that I only need 10 ounces of milk, and that's not the case. I need more. Like, I have 20 ounces in the freezer. 20 ounces in the freezer. And,
Can I get my Pop-Tart?
Sure, honey. I have 20 ounces in the freezer, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 10 bottles in the fridge. I'm gonna show you guys once I go over there. So yeah, that's that. So anyways, I'm gonna go get Gia ready. I'll probably put her in my ergo to take her to the bus stop. And it's raining outside, guys. Like, literally it's raining. So it stopped now, but hopefully it stays stopped because my car is a mess, and my car is not ready for baby. And yeah, so I would really appreciate it. Anyways, I'm gonna go because I'm rambling. Okay guys, so I'm definitely doing Vlogmas.
Tree? From the tree?
We're not putting up the tree today. Not at all. It's not going up today. But it's going up this weekend.
No.
No, it's bedtime now. Oh, sorry. I was holding the... But I'm definitely doing Vlogmas. So this video will be going up tomorrow on the 1st. So, yeah. There's Jason over there. He's signaling something, I don't know. So, we're doing Vlogmas. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Janice. That is Roberto over there. We have Jason right there. Destiny. Jaxson. Jordan. And of course, none other. Baby Madison. She's sleeping. I would go mess with her, but she's sleeping. So, that is that. Yeah. It's probably loud. And you guys are like, why are you recording and all that noise? But I can't record anywhere. My husband is eating again. He should have been out of the kitchen. Ow! Ow, my back. Honey, what are you eating? My memory card filled up, so yeah, I had to delete some stuff. Hi, Jordan.
Hey. Hi. Is this in our vlog? Mommy, is this in our vlog?
This is my big boy. He's 10 years old.
I'm the big one.
And then my other 10-year-old.
I'm bigger than everyone. Like Destiny's small, Jackson's medium, and John's medium.
And then my baby over there, my baby boy. You guys know Jaxson over there. He gets jealous. He gets so jealous. But today was a good day. I was able to go outside with Maddie in the ergo. I was able to take her outside in the ergo because it was raining. And I put her in the ergo. And I took Jaxson to the bus stop. So I think we're getting the hang of it. It's still kind of pretty early to tell, you know. But I find that I'm not as sad as I used to be.
Stop.
And it's hot in this house.
30
it's
minutes.
really hot. It's like 79.
30 minutes, bedtime. Destiny, pick up the covers off your floor.
79 degrees. So, I did my postpartum video. So, look out for that video. It's probably going up tomorrow or Friday. It's going up tomorrow, Friday. And, I did Maddie's postpartum video as well, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, so tomorrow begins Vlogmas. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Not really. So yeah, I'm excited to do Vlogmas. I've never done anything of that nature, that sort, so I'm excited. So let's go see Mad. She's sleeping. I don't want to wake her up. But I have pineapple and I'm hoping that I can eat pineapple because when I was pregnant I was so allergic to it that my tongue, and since I had baby, my tongue has kind of came back to normal, so yay for that. But yes, I need to put these sticks to bed. Huh? Destiny's still sick? Destiny, are you still sick? Yeah, it's just a little bit. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog tonight. Now this vlog right here. That's Maddie's. Have a good night. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Bye. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, which is Thursday. Yay, today's the last day of November, and it's kind of bittersweet because this was Maddie's due date month, and it's kind of sad that it came and went, and it's like, oh, I'm no longer pregnant, Maddie's here, yada 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 yada, but whatever. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, don't forget to comment. I like to talk to you guys, so comment and I will talk to you guys. I will respond.
And you'll see me in the next video again. Bye.
Yes, you'll see Jason in the next video. But yeah, so bye.
And make sure to subscribe to our next video. Bye.
Come, you personally get to say something. Come. Okay.
Dad, come on.
He don't want to say anything.
Mommy, I like this.
All right, this is the longest goodbye ever.